Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the phone and launching Lens so you can scan immediately. Make sure your Samsung is updated and the Google or Lens app has camera and location permissions. This improves accuracy. Once done, open the camera app or the Google app and tap the Lens icon to activate the scanner. You'll see a live viewfinder. Frame your subject clearly and steady the phone. This gets you straight into the scanning mode and avoids wasted retries. Next, you'll scan and refine so Lens returns useful actions. Frame the object, tap to focus, and enable flash or HDR if lighting is poor. That sharpens recognition. Then choose the mode, translate for signs, text for copy, shopping for products, or identify for plants and animals, because each mode uses different models. Drag the selection box or pinch to zoom to crop tightly. Once Lens highlights matches, tap the result cards to copy text, search, translate, or open product links and reviews. Finish by acting on results and knowing one key fix. Tap Save, copy, share, or search to send data to apps, save images to Google Photos, or perform purchases. This completes your workflow. For repeated needs, open the Google App History to revisit prior scans and results. If Lens doesn't recognize anything, make sure lighting is good, hold the phone steady, clear the Lens app cache, and update the app. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most recognition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.